Hi, welcome, and today we're going to talk about our math boxes. First things first, plastic or cardboard, and it's up to you really. They both hold up pretty well. We are now in February, and we have some of us that use the plastic and some that use the cardboard, and as you can see, they are holding up okay. So whatever you find that's cheaper or you have laying around enough for your classroom works. Now let's talk about what's inside. So inside our math boxes we keep many things, but most importantly are our little math tools. So we first start with a math pouch where our students can keep a pencil, their dry erase marker, erasers, whiteboard erasers, anything that you think that you'll need for your student to have a successful independent practice. These math pouches, the binder pouches you can find at the dollar store or at the beginning of the school year for fairly inexpensive. And then, like I said, we have dry erase markers, a mini eraser for your whiteboards, and pencils. We also keep a ruler and a calculator in their math box. We keep a set of flashcards as well, which if they can fit in the pouch would be even better. We have adding and subtracting for grades, K through 2, and then you can also have multiplication, division, whatever you need in your classroom to support your math time. Number identification, anything that the students can work on independently would be great that you can put in these math boxes. So we choose to put adding and subtracting flashcards. We also have our 100s chart. We use this in multiple ways. We use this for number identification, and we also use it for some of our math games as well, and just for student reference. It's just probably important to say it's also laminated, so they can use a dry erase marker if they need to and erase as we go. Some other things in here. We have our mathematical practice folder. In here we keep our unit work. So anything that we are working on at the unit that we want the students to work on with paper and pencil, we would put in here. Whether it be your math journal or a unit practice that you put together for them to work on paper and pencil, almost worksheet style, we put together these units. So this is a second grade unit practice on fractions. And inside are just a variety of independent practice work that the student can work on if they choose mathematical practice as an option. We also have a section in here for counting clubs, and our counting clubs focus on skip counting, number identification, counting to 100, 200, up to 1,000, past 1,000. So it's a fun little activity that the students can do during your math time or even independently during free time. You'd be amazed how many choose that activity. Okay. One of the last things we have in our math box is in our math games binder, we have all of the games that our students will be playing throughout the year. And what we did was we put all of the recording sheets in page protectors, along with the directions. So on one side is the directions, on the other side is how to play, is the recording sheet. Students can then easily use their dry erase marker to play the game and then erase as they go, and you're not wasting paper and you're definitely going green. We introduce the games as we go, but we keep the year's worth of games in our binder. It's just easier than opening them up every unit and every time you get a new game. So, to review what's in our math box, we have our games binder, 100s chart for reference, mathematical practice folder, or where you would keep your math journal. We have our math pouch for dry erase markers, erasers, pencils, calculator if it fits, and your flashcards, and again, other math tools like a ruler. All fit in nicely in your math box.